Okay guys, from the intro, I think you got an idea of what we're going to be doing today. But basically, this is a shop day. Okay, and here at my Barefoot Props, we have shop days about once or twice a month. Everybody comes over, we all work on individual projects, whatever. And so as those things come to fruition, you know, sometimes we make videos. And so today I'm going to be filming, we're actually got two things going on, but most importantly for this video, we're going to steal from tested and we're going to do a one-day build. Okay, so this is several guys getting together. We're going to work on it just today and rough in a female muscle suit, which you saw in the video at the very start. So also, I wanted you to stay tuned because at the same time I'm working on another project at the same time. There'll be a little teaser at the end of this video. And so at the end of this video, there'll be a little teaser to the next project that I'm doing that should be entertaining for all to watch. So, and I'll show you how I did that too. So, but that'll be in the next video. So, stay tuned, guys. So the first thing to do in a muscle suit is to make your templates. So we got our guinea pig in a bodysuit so we can pencil on our templates, and here this is just a full like bodysuit that we can draw on, and this is what we'll eventually be putting our templates on so that we can have all that done. So we're just going to pencil everything on with some so you got a black bodysuit, so we're using some metallic pins, whatever they call it, yeah, markers. And so, and just to get the highlights and try to get that, we're using a She-Hulk cartoon image for kind of a reference of what we're wanting. And so, oh, you're using and a female bodybuilder too. So we're just kind of looking at anatomy in general, just like we did with the muscle arm. The Venom muscle arm is use real anatomy. It's just going to be a little bit more softer to have like the be more flatter in the female form. Now, so it's gonna. We don't really need to draw because they're just a. So you have. So just for pencil. There so we have a. So the brachioradialis will be off to just right here above the elbow. So you'll have like one tube that'll kind of come right above the elbow and kind of come down across the wrist a little bit, tapering down. And then you have another one that's kind of underneath it that starts below the elbow. It'll kind of come around and down. I think it actually comes down a little bit lower. So I stopped a little bit too soon. But and then you'll have one just kind of oval shape right here. Like, yeah, that looks right. And sure. And so that'll be the gist of that. We'll iron it out a little bit.
Oh, all right. Messing it up for everybody. So, that was the back of my head.
So one good thing is that you only have to do one side. So we are relatively mirror images. So let's see the thigh one on the She-Hulk.
Putting on like a bodysuit just automatically makes you feel like you're a superhero. I don't know what it is about spandex. You're just like, oh, I need a cape, and that'd be good. That'd be good.
So the calf.
You got capes.
So kind of roughing it in with the metallic, and then we'll go back with the gold to kind of line out our lines that we like.
And so I feel like I want to give everyone a big hug.
So I have where I made some man-sized muscles, so we just got to kind of modify this a little bit to
lady-sized muscles.
Lady-sized. Now we're just after we got a kind of rough idea, I want to kind of tune it up some before we make the templates out of it. So I'm just going back with a different marker just to kind of tighten things up. So.
Yeah, if you get on the Minecraft, you can play with us again. Yeah.
I don't like Minecraft.
Minecraft doesn't like you.
Good.
I don't even know if you can put those words in a sentence together.
What?
Is that even allowed in the English language? I don't like Minecraft. Where did these scissors come from?
Oh, I have a bunch of small scissors right here. I pulled like everything out.
That's rude, Bucky.
Okay, so I think he's trying to assert his dominance.
Is that the one that says dad ass?
That ass.
It literally says dad ass.
Good ass. It is.
How about that?
It's not America's ass.
No.
Excuse me?
It is America's ass. I love when he. That is.
We had to move outside because it's hot in summertime and it's miserable inside the building, and we didn't want to get spray adhesive everywhere, so we're out front. We're going to put our muscles on. We got them laid out for the left side, pretty much already spread out. We'll start coating them with our Pro Stick adhesive and then sticking them on. So.
Oh, that feels great.
Nice and cold.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll let evaporative solve it.
yes, it's freezing cold. And it feels good.
Okay, so Okay, so we're gonna skin it. So we're using.
I thought you forgot my name.
No. I was just trying to get my train of thought going. So we're gonna skin this foam on what's her name, and it's a 1/8 inch foam. So this is a pretty thin foam. It'll tear, but it is pretty stretchy, and so that's why we spend a little extra time trimming the muscles up. And so we're gonna try to do this as few seams as we can, but with the 1/8 inch thick foam, the seams are not terrible to kind of cover up anyhow later on. So we're gonna get busy. Gloves. So when you don't use gloves, you get all this little sticky adhesive on there. So as we put layers on where the 1/8 inch foam overlaps the other parts of the foam, skinning it out, it also leaves a little bump, so you can use the Persona blades to trim that down. But you can already see how much more defined the abs and everything look. Muscles. Woo. It's pretty good. So now we're at the phase where everything's kind of on, it's skinned out. The 1/8 inch foam has not been our favorite because of the tears a little bit and kind of hard to handle. But all in all, I think you see how it turns out. You can either skin this with some spandex,
yeah,
or my favorite thing is probably just paint it with some latex. But it takes several coats of latex. But the abs are in. So once the spray adhesive dries all the way, these little lips right here can be shaved down and trimmed in. That one actually could probably be shaved off now. Trimmed down so they're all nice and neat and there's no sharp edges. And any of the wrinkles that you get in there can be trimmed down. But I mean, I think you can definitely get the idea. You definitely you look jacked. I mean, really.
I've been working out lately. Like all day I've been working out.
That looks really good. So do your like going to the gym pose. Where's the pool? That's the pointing. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't go to the
Yeah,
gym.
so the pool's like that right there. There you go. There the Apollo. There you go. That's great. Okay, guys, I want to thank you for watching this afternoon or this day. This was a collaborative, everybody, all hands on deck for a quick build. I feel like we got a lot done in one day on a female muscle suit. From this point, there is a couple of different paths we can go. The reason right now we didn't finish any more than what we did is because it needs some cleanup. But other than that, we don't know what this suit's for. So this muscle suit was built for Elyse, but without a cosplay in plan. So I don't know if it's going to be under a superhero outfit, so we really don't need to do it anymore, or if it's going to be a flesh build where there's going to be flesh showing. So maybe we want to paint it with some latex, and airbrush it up and everything. Or if it needs some structural strength that we need to have some latex and spandex over it. So I really don't know what the plan is for it. So we may show that in the future, but most importantly, what I wanted to show is how to build the muscle suit. And so I think this video shows that it's fairly simple. It can actually be a fun thing. It's kind of like a duct tape mannequin. You get a couple of friends together, you can knock it out pretty quick. So if you got any questions or comments below, please post them. I do want to thank everybody that helped today. We had Tony, Jason, Blaine, all good friends of mine. Of course, Marty and Elyse, from several of my other videos. And then we've got had some cameos from my wife and Bucky's, who are always in and out here. So hopefully things will continue to go well here at the shop. I want to thank Marty and Elyse for this cool shirt. Little Barefoot prop shirt they did for me. That was awesome. They got some of their own, so maybe we'll see some Barefoot prop shirts and new future videos. And stay tuned after this for a quick teaser on what I've got coming next, what our next video is on. So I think you'll get the idea when you watch it. Have a good day.
My hand! Ah! Come on! You're gonna fall unless you take my hand!
No! Give me your other hand!
Oh, my other hand isn't strong enough! You take my little hand!
No! Get it away from me!
Take it!